Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
So how was your test paper?
Sir, it was easy, sir, but I had a doubt, sir. I haven't not understood it in class. But what is lateral surface area, sir?
Lateral surface area.
Yes, sir.
So lateral surface, yeah, let me open.
Sir, maybe I have not understood it from class, but
No.
I just
Actually, I think I didn't explain you what is lateral surface area. What is lateral surface
Sir,
area?
and I did not understand the first.
yes,
Sorry?
sir, same thing, sir. The first question was wrong, sir, but I just guesstimated and I put 9, sir, and I got the correct answer. But it was wrong question, sir. My dad also checked it.
It should be 21 centimeter or meter square, sir.
Sir, you have to take the unshaded part as 2 centimeters, sir. Then we will get the answer.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me check. Let me check this.
Sir,
Yes, Chair.
sir, a solid shape is a three-dimensional shape, right, sir?
Yes.
But in
So
the
in
question,
the marking you gave the 2D is correct, sir, and 3D is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check. Let us discuss the question paper. Just a minute. Okay, let me share this. Now you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. So this is the first question, right? So in a figure, a square of side 5 centimeter, the area of shaded portion is there. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is 5 centimeters. So 5 into 5 is on whole 25. But here, if you see, there are how many squares? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square,
4.
4 square. So 25 minus 4 into what is the area of this small square? 1 into 1 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter square. So that would be 25 minus 4. So that would
Sir,
be
if you take the just 2 into 2, then we will get the answer, sir.
2 into 2.
If you take the small squares, like
9 centimeter square is the answer.
So 20. So anyways, the option is not given here. So that's so you got know how to solve the problem.
Yes.
Everyone from the class, you got it right. How to solve the problem. So basically, how to solve the problem is find out the total area of the given square, and then you subtract the unshaded part. So if you see the unshaded part here, each for unshaded part, each given as square, that is 1 into 1 into 1. So if you subtract all these unshaded part, this and this, then you will get the final answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And coming to second question, that is the area of adjoining figure. Any doubt in this?
Sir, it was given as wrong for me, sir.
yes, sir, for me too.
The area means it should be in square, right? Centimeter square, but it was given as 77 centimeters, the
So
correct
pi
answer.
by
but you gave correct marking for D, sir.
so pi by 2 into r square, that is 7 square by 2. So this is half circle, right? So this by 2. So that would be pi by 4 into 7 square. So 22 by 7 into 4 into 7 square. 7 will get cancelled. And what else were left with? 154 by 4. अरे बाप रे, ये ऑप्शन भी नहीं है इधर. So what will be the answer for this?
77 centimeter square, sir.
Yes,
C.
sir.
C, sir.
Oh, pi by 2 r square. I did correct only. How could it be pi by 4? Pi r square for the full circle, right? Then it will pi by 2 r square will be for the half circle. So this will be 22 by 7 into 2 and into 7 into 7. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 11. 11 into 7 is 77 square centimeter square.
Sir, you gave me wrong marking, sir, for that.
Sorry?
You gave me wrong marking. You kept a D as the correct answer, sir.
D as the answer for this.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
D as the correct answer.
But the correct answer is C, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will change anyways. I will change. And next, the area of trapezium is.
Sir, option D.
D.
So,
Option A, sir. Option
A,
A.
sir. A, sir. sir.
Yes, sir.
so option A. So we discussed this. In a quadrilateral, half of the product of the sum of lengths of parallel sides and the parallel distance between them gives the area of.
Sir,
Parallelogram, sir.
The parallelogram.
Which
So here-
trapezium, sir?
So here one thing clearly should mention in the question is one keyword that we can concentrate is parallel sides. First thing. And the parallel distance between them gives the area. So half of the product of sum of lengths of parallel sides.
Sir, but here it is given as wrong, sir. It
Okay,
is
so
saying D.
it is saying
Sir, I kept parallelogram, sir, but it is saying answer is D.
yeah, please wait, we are discussing. So if you see the keywords are parallel sides, and then if you see, and the parallel distance between them gives the area. So the what is the area of rectangle? So there is no possible case for rectangle. So go option wise. If there is no possible case here for rectangle, in rectangle, if you consider sum of the lengths of parallel sides given, there is no sum in the area in for rectangle, only product between the length and breadth. So A option is eliminated. And come to parallelogram. What is the parallelogram area? What is the parallelogram area?
The parallel.
What is the parallelogram area? We discussed, right? What is the parallelogram area? Someone please answer.
Sir, height into base.
What?
Height into base.
Base into height, sir.
Parallelogram area is what we discussed in the class. No, I also sent notes on the.
Height into
Sir,
base.
base. Height.
Base into height, sir.
Base into height, sir.
So half into base into height. So here again what we can here clearly see that this is not parallelogram also. So next triangle is a three-sided one. Three-sided. So how could it be a quadrilateral? So C option itself is wrong. So if you check the D option is correct. Okay. So in D option, if you see the sum, what is the area of trapezium half into what? What is the area of trapezium?
Half into
H
sum of
into-
parallel sides into H.
Half into H into
Sum
sum
of
of the
parallel
lengths
sides.
of the parallel sides. So here if you see, so half into H into A plus B. So answer for this is trapezium. Any doubt for this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
Yes, please. Yes, Gautam Krishna, you have some doubt?
No, sir.
Now next, area of rhombus. What is area of rhombus?
Half of
Half
We
into
discussed this many times. Half into
D.
product
diagonal
of the length of the diagonals. Product of the length of the diagonals. So this is the product of length of the diagonals. Product of length of diagonals. So which of the following has the formula half sum of parallel sides into H? Again, similar kind of question.
trapezium.
Trapezium.
D.
D. Next, the length of parallel sides of trapezium is 49.6 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters. Its area will be. Again similar. Parallel sides given, first height is given, that is half into 5 into 14 plus 6, that is 20. So 2 ones, 2 10. So answer will be 50 centimeters square. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, the area of trapezium in the same question. 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 into 3 is 30. So answer is what?
So 30
15, sorry, 15. So half into 3 into 6 plus 4 is 10. So 2 ones, 2 5s. So 15 is the answer for this. Next, which of the following is an example of 2 dimension? Cuboid, no. Cone, no. Sphere, no. Circle. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Students, I need the answer from you people are
No,
not
sir.
listening. And everybody cam is off. I don't know what's the reason behind that. Next, which of the following shape has 2 dimensions? So which of the following shape has 2 dimensions here?
No, sir.
Ring, sir.
Rings.
So cylinder, chalk box, soap, or ring.
Ring.
So which one has here?
Ring, sir.
A.
So chalk box, if you consider, chalk box is nothing but, again it's a cube. So that is not. Cylinder is not 2D shape. Again soap, if you consider, soap is cuboid. Like if you consider any soap, Medimix or Mysore sandal soap or anything, that is a 3D shape. So ring is not. So if you see the ring, it's only has a dimension, which is 2-dimensional. So ring is the answer. Next, 2-dimensional figure is a, what is the answer for this?
Plane figure.
Plane figure. Plane figure. Next, plane figures are 3D or 2D? 3D.
2D, 2D.
2D,
Sorry,
sir.
2D.
2D, sir.
2D, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 10th option is C.
No.
Yeah, I mean B.
No, not B also. A.
Okay, sir.
Solid figures are 3D.
3D, sir.
3D, sir. But they were
Sir,
wrong.
but it was given as 2D, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Let me check this.
Yes, sir. Nobody was able to answer, sir. I saw the percentage. It was 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, which of the following is an example of 3D?
The sphere.
Triangle not, circle
Sphere.
not, rectangle not, sphere.
Sphere.
Pyramid is an example of.
3D, 3D, sir.
In a right circular cylinder, the line segments joining the center of the circular faces is dashed to the base.
Parallel Sir, I to the did not base. understand it.
Yes, sir.
So we already discussed, I already showed you. So
Perpendicular, sir.
yes, perpendicular. So I already told you this example. So this is paper. Let me convert this into a cylinder. So this is cylinder. So this is top face. This is bottom face. This is top face. Can't see. Okay, I will draw here. So this is cylinder. So what it is said in the question is, in a right circular cylinder, name itself is self-explanatory here. if you consider any bottle, if you want to measure the length of the bottle from ground level to the top, how you place your scale or ruler? Will you place horizontal?
No, sir, vertical.
Vertical.
You will place vertical. Vertical means is it perpendicular to the base of the bottom of the bottle or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the line segment joining the center of the circular face. So if the circular face, suppose this is the center of the circular face, and the line segment joining this center of the circular face is, so here if this is the center of the circular face and this is the center of the circular face, if I drop a perpendicular line from this two, so this would be what? Perpendicular to the base or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I wrote perpendicular only, sir.
So the answer itself is perpendicular. And it is clearly mentioned in the question that right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Every cylinder is a right circular cylinder only. But all circular cylinders are not right. Right matlab perpendicular. I can make a such kind of cylinder where, so if you see there are some small cylinders which is like oval shape like this. Correct.
Lamps and kettles, sir.
So you see this pot. So usually in summer, some of the NGOs do keep this pot outside, like coal centers where you can drink water. So usually that shape of cylinders. So this is also one kind of cylinder. We call it as oval cylinder, but right cylinder. Right cylinder is perfect example is your water bottle, your gas cylinder. Okay. So these are the examples. So name itself is self-explanatory there. Don't get confused. Right cylinder means it is always the line segment joining two centers of the circle, which is bottom and top of the circle, is always perpendicular. So any confusion in understanding this, please let me know so that we can move on to next question.
No, sir.
So now, just now, one of our friend asked what is lateral surface area. So what is lateral? In general, what you meant by lateral? In general, without any mathematical knowledge, if I tell you lateral means, what do you actually think about it? What do you think about it in general?
Opposite.
So lateral surface area means, so I will tell you what is the difference between surface area and lateral surface area. So lateral surface area comes into picture where 3D object, we are defining area for a 3D object. Suppose if I consider a cuboid. Okay. So cuboid. How many sides we have here in this cuboid?
Six sides.
6 sides, right? In general, what we discussed while we are discussing surface area, what we discussed, there are 6 sides. We are adding 6 sides ka area. Then we will get total surface area. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. We discussed that. I will show you. So here we discussed now. So total surface area. Here, if you see total surface area, we are considering length into height, length into breadth, breadth into height. So how we are actually considering it? So let me show you an example. So this is, I hope everyone can see this book, right?
No, sir.
Wait, I'm removing this virtual screen. Then you can easily understand. Wait. Now you can see, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So if you see this book, so this book actually, this is one side, this is another side. Okay, this is another side, this is back side, right? And this is front side, and this is another side. This side you have another side, and this side you have another side. This side you have another side, and this side you have another. Total 6 sides, right?
Sir, opposite sides are like same, sir.
Sorry.
Opposite sides are same. Opposite faces.
Opposite sides are same. See,
Opposite faces are same, sir.
opposite faces are same. Yes. Opposite faces are same in cuboid. So if you see this face is same to this face, and this face, if you see this face is same equal to this face. So what I'm doing here is, if I consider this side, so here I'm defining this dimension from this point to this point. I'm defining this dimension as length, and I'm defining this dimension as what? Breadth. So that's what I did here. And next, so this thing I'm defining. So this thing I'm defining as height. So if I want to calculate area of this side, what will be my answer? So this will be breadth
into height.
Breadth into height. So this is height. Similarly, if I want to calculate area of this face, it would be length into breadth, right? This is breadth,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is length, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? And similarly, if I want to calculate the area of this side, what it would be? So
Length
this is
into
Height into length.
length into height, right? So that's what I'm telling. So this area is equal to this area again. Why? Because these two are equal opposite faces. No, if you open a book, if you actually take any book, so what we are calculating here, we are calculating total surface area, isn't it? So in lateral surface area, what we are doing here is, in lateral surface area, we will exclude top. That is top. If you consider top of the surface, you will exclude, and bottom of the surface you exclude. Rest all surface, if you add, that is lateral surface area. So how I am excluding here is, so this is top, suppose. So this is top, right? And this is bottom. Correct. So if I remove this top and bottom, so what is the area of top? This will be length, right?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. So I'm removing length into breadth. And again, what is the area of bottom? Length into breadth, right?
Yes, sir. 2 of length.
Again, I'm removing length into breadth. Now I am calculating on whole the area of. So what is the remaining area I have now if after elimination of length into breadth?
Length into height, breadth into height.
Into height and height into
Two
length.
times. So 2 times of length into height and 2 times of to height, right? So my lateral surface area will be now, after excluding top and bottom surfaces, top and bottom surfaces, that would be 2 into what? Breadth into height
And
plus
length into height, sir.
length into height.
Sir, we can take 2 and h as common.
2 and h as common. If you take 2 and h as common, then length plus breadth will be your lateral surface area. So what is lateral surface area? Subtracting top surface area minus bottom surface area gives you the lateral surface area. From total surface area, if you subtract top surface area and bottom surface area, that gives you the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Any confusion now?
No, sir.
Any confusion now? My friend Nainika is here.
Yes,
She
sir.
asked
I
the
have
doubt.
now. Sir, it's very clear now, sir. I understood that no top and bottom is there, and you have to use the rest of the thing.
Yes, great. So that is total surface area minus top surface area by minus top surface area minus bottom surface area will gives rise to lateral surface area. Someone put something. What is that? No, sir. What? No, sir. Lasya. What did you understand? Oh my God, she's just posted no and what didn't
Sir,
you?
you asked out, right, sir? So that's why my mic was not on, so I just said no.
Oh, cool, got you. Okay, fine. So now you tell me what is the answer for 22?
A, sir.
22A, sir.
22A. Okay, next. The area of 4 walls of the room. 4 walls of the room they are asked. So if you want to consider 4 walls of the room, so area.
Lateral surface, sir. Lateral surface.
So these two
Lateral
options.
surface.
Lateral surface. 4 walls means lateral surface. So A and C options for sure
2H into L plus B.
doesn't define your answer. So 2H into L plus B is the answer for this. So indirectly they are asking you lateral surface of the room. 4 walls, when they mention 4 walls means 2 walls already you are eliminating, that is top and bottom. So you are left with only 4 walls and that is lateral surface area and that is 2 into H in 2H into length plus breadth is the answer. Next.
Sir, if we see length into breadth, then we have to exclude it, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can you tell the answer of 19 and 20?
Hey, we didn't discuss this. Sorry. So the standard unit of volume is meter cube is the
Meter
standard
cube,
unit.
sir.
The formula for finding the surface area of cube is.
Sir, actually it is 6 side square, sir, but it's showing
But
wrong,
yes,
sir.
square.
Yes.
So this will be also the key of for this will be also changed. So 6 side square is the answer for this. Again,
Sir, I got correct, sir, answer. I got B is the correct answer they told. I kept B and they told correct.
Means B is the correct wrong answer, sir, actually.
B is the wrong answer last year. How could it be B answer? What is
Sir,
surface
but,
area? You please explain what is surface area.
Sir, no, sir, I'm saying that here I kept the option B, but here it's saying it's correct.
वो तो छोड़ दो, उसका तो छोड़ दो. What is the answer for surface area?
Sir,
What you meant by surface area last year? Please explain what you meant by surface area. I just discussed few minutes back. What you meant by surface area? So whenever students, whenever wait. So whenever they mention surface area, it means the total surface area. In some, so they will never mention in question saying that total surface area. Sometimes they will mention surface area. When they mention surface area, it means the total surface area. Okay. Don't get confused in that. But if it in case it is a lateral surface area, they'll for sure mention lateral surface area. So if they doesn't mention lateral surface area, if they just mention surface area, then you have to consider for sure it as total surface area. Last year, please define what is surface area. A few minutes back, we also had a clear cut explanation for this.
Yes, sir. So three-dimensional object by its outer surface.
Three-dimensional object by its outer surface. Okay. Okay, object is in my hand. Three-dimensional object. Then so So how you thought 4 side square as your answer? I need that. I'm curious to know about that thing. Class, are you here in the class? I see many people
Yes, sir.
switched off. I see many people switched off their cameras. I can't keep on repeating this.
Sir, I kept the wrong answers.
Next, the side of the cube is 2 meter, then the surface area of the cube is. So 2 meter they are saying. Already previously you know what is the surface area of this, that is 6 into side square. Anyway, the option is wrong. I will correct it once the class is done. 6 into side square is nothing but 6 into side is 4, sorry, 2 square. So 2 square is nothing but 6 into 2 into 2, that will give 6 into 4. So as it is area means meter square, meter into meter is meter square. So 24 meter square is the answer. Any doubt in this?
Sir, even this is given as A, sir.
What is that many mistakes I just choose as this? Oh my God, what's happening? Let me check. So this is also I'm rounding up.
Paper has so many mistakes, sir.
21, 20, sir, not 21.
So 20 is a mistake. And yes, sir. And sir, will you deduct marks for 21, sir, this lateral surface area? I mean 22, sir, because we did not learn it before today's class, sir.
Now we see, never run behind marks. Our ultimate goal is to learn the concept. Marks will come when you learn the concept. Anyways, that marks will be deducted or add on is secondary, but you got to know what is subject, right? What is lateral surface
I
area?
understood, sir. Just generally asking, sir, that's why.
Yeah, generally asking. See, what I suggest you is never run behind marks.
Okay, sir.
This is generically I'm saying. Okay, I'm generalizing the statement. For all the subjects, in your future purpose also, never run behind marks. Your ultimate goal should be learning the concept. If you do that, then only you will excel. And usually this kind of habit will be there. While I was also 8th and 9th class, I am much curious to know, to get my things correctly and get good marks. But later I discovered that that will really not help you. So this is not the final exam we are conducting. Okay, here, there, I am also human being. Here, there, opting options or choosing questions will be, you are not only the class which I am taking. I am taking other students who are studying for JEE mains and JEE advanced, and also NEET physics also I am teaching for other institutions. So I should set papers for them also. So and parallelly I am preparing for civil services mains examination. So all these things are going. So please keep
Okay,
in
sir.
mind that here so that 1 or 2, 3 mistakes will be happen. So I am only the sole person. In other institutions, I have other people to look after all these questions. I give them questions, they will only solve, and my assistants will be there. They will only solve and they will opt the answers. But here in this institution, I should do myself. That's the reason why I taking some errors, human errors. So these all are called human errors. So excuse me for that, but please concentrate on the question and what concept you are learning from that question. Anyways, I just rounded up the key questions where the key is wrong. I will make to. I don't know whether there is an option on Wise app or not to correct this, to change a key or not. I let me check for that and I will get back to you. And 21 question, total surface area. I already discussed you that you also know B is the answer for this. And next, coming to 25th, the quantity that a container holds is called as?
Capacity, sir.
Capacity.
Absolutely wrong. Capacity is completely a wrong term in mathematics.
Sir, is it volume?
So your water bottle, you say what is the volume of, so if you go and purchase a thumbs up, there it's mentioned that volume is 500 ml, volume is 250 ml. To any cold drink you it's defined in ml and mentioned as volume. Okay, so answer for this is volume.
Sir, but actually I corrected my mistake, but it is saying, like, I actually marked volume and then gone to the test, it's showing capacity. So I recorrected it and told you, sir, but I marked volume only, sir.
Sir, here it is showing capacity. That's
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is also will be checked. So the 1 meter cube is how much? 1 meter cube is how
1000
much? 1000.
1000 ml. I mean L. 1000 liter.
The height of cuboid is the height of cuboid whose volume is and base area is this.
10
Acha, they are
centimeter.
asking about height. Okay, the height of cuboid whose volume is 2 centimeter cube and base area is 20 centimeter square. So what is volume of cuboid? I already told you, length into breadth into height. So volume it is given as 200. So that base area it is given. Base area means what? Length into breadth or not? Base area. Students, any confusion in this? Base area means what? Just now I told you, in cuboid, top area, base area, bottom means base area means bottom. Bottom area. Bottom area is what? Length into breadth, no?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in understanding this? Why you people are so calm today? So this is bottom area. Bottom area is what? Length into breadth, no? Bottom means what? Base, no?
Yes, sir.
So here if you see, bottom is given base area. So base area is 20. That is length into breadth is 20. And height is not given. We supposed to find out. So 20 once 10. So answer H is equal to 10 centimeter. Next, what is the answer for 28? These are all our basics questions. 28, please. What is the answer for 28? What is the answer for 28?
Sir, 1 centimeter cube.
Yes, 1 centimeter cube. How many of you not understanding how to convert these basic units? Please raise your hand. Hello. I hope no one has the doubt. So if each edge of the cube is doubled, its surface area will increase too. Its surface area is increased to, they are asking. If
4
each,
times, sir.
so what is the surface area in general? Surface area in general for cube is what? 6 into L square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying, length will, they are saying each edge of the cube will be doubled. So they are saying, suppose this is L, this is previous one. Now what they are saying, that it is measured to, the length is like each edge of the cube is double, so that will be 2L. So what is the area, sorry, what is the surface area when edge is double? 6 into 2L whole square. So that would be 4 So this is 6L square and this is 24L square. So how many times, if you multiply 4 times, it will become 24L square. So answer is 4 times. Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
I need yes or no from each and everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nainika, are you here in the class? Pranava, are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, total surface area of a cylinder is.
So 2 pi r into r plus h.
So this thing we already discussed in the class. I also sent a notes for you. Total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. This we clearly explained in the last class. Any doubt in how to calculate total surface area of the cylinder?
No, sir.
Okay, so 2 pi r into h plus r. The formula for finding lateral surface, for this also I will give you a mark. Okay. Again, what is the formula of lateral surface area of a cylinder? Lateral surface area means what I told you, to eliminate top and bottom. So here if you see, I am eliminating top and bottom. So pi r square is eliminated, pi r square is eliminated. These are only no top and bottom. If you consider a cylinder, top and bottom are 2 circles, right? No response from the class. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No.
Where is my good friend Pranava?
Sir.
He's so excited to tell the answer. Now, what is the answer for this?
Sir.
So pi r square will get is eliminated as it is the lateral surface. So we are only left with 2 pi r h. So answer for this is 2 pi r h. So A is the answer for this. Next, area of quadrilateral. I already told you what is area of quadrilateral. What is the answer for this? Rudra, why are you silent? What is the answer for this?
Sir, I actually did not get the 32nd question, sir.
I discussed what is the area of quadrilateral, no, in the class. So what is the area of quadrilateral here? So area of quadrilateral half into AC into what?
H1 plus H2. Height 1 plus.
So half into H1 plus H2 into diagonal. So how much you are getting for this?
Sir, 32.
So half into 8 into 5 plus 3. That is this and this. So 2 4s, 4 into 5 plus 3 is 8. So that is 32 centimeters square. Any doubt in understanding this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If a diagonal of rhombus are 6 and 8, area will be half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. that is 8. So 2 3s. So 3 into 8 is 24. So 24 centimeters square. Diagonals of rhombus are, this we discussed in the class,
The different.
of different length. What formula says? Half into d1 into d2. d1 into d2 means diagonals are different. If they are same, the formula will be half d square. But that doesn't define a rhombus. That is not the characteristics of rhombus. So half into d1 into d2 is nothing but it defines, it is self-explanatory from the area of rhombus, saying that product of two different lengths of diagonals gives you the area of rhombus. So it's self-explanatory. So it says that diagonals of rhombus are of different length. Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
Next question. If the base of rhombus of 7 centimeter and its altitude is 4 centimeter, its area will be. What is the answer for this?
Sir,
How many
14
of,
centimeters.
so here base of rhombus they are asking. Never get confused when they said you the base of rhombus. Altitude means what? Height. Altitude means height. So this is usually a rhombus. Rhombus base itself. So the base itself is diagonal. Okay. The base of rhombus and what? Altitude. So this is height. And if you join this point and this point, this is base. So this is base into altitude. Altitude is always height. So whenever if you go for a reference, while you learn a new saying that one mountaineer had climbed an altitude of 5,000 meters from the sea surface of earth level. So altitude itself means what it says. It says height. So base into height. So that's the reason why I gave you the question here. So half into base of rhombus of 7 centimeter. That is 7 into 4, that is 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter square. Again, 1 liter is equal to dash centimeter cube.
Sir, 1,000.
So when I ask you the conversation of units, you people are not answering. I don't know why. Are you really confused with how to calculate the conversations of units? Okay, no response. Okay, then I should assume that you all know how to calculate. Okay, so this is 1,000. If the length of edge of cube is 4 centimeter, the volume they are asking. You know what is volume? That is a cube. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Sorry, this is centimeters. So this is centimeter cube. So whenever, why I gave this question is, you have to always be cautious when you are choosing your option. Volume here you are multiplying 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter will, as you are multiplying centimeter 3 times, that will be centimeters cube. It will not be centimeter square. Centimeter square means it is area. So volume is different from area. So answer is B. Next, the volume of cuboid of dimensions 4 centimeter to, so
Sir, 24 centimeters.
a volume of cuboid. Again, this is also same. Previous questions also one of similar kind of questions we did. So 4 into 2 into 3. So that is 8 into 3 is 24. And again here 24 centimeter square is given. So this is not the answer. A is the answer. Next, 39. The formula, any confusion till now in solving, in understanding any question?
No, sir.
The formula for finding volume of cuboid is Cuboid, I told you, side into side is not possible. Why? Because side into side means what? You are ultimately calculating the area. So this is not possible. Again, length into breadth is also not possible. Again, you are calculating the area. Side plus side plus side, it is also not possible. You are not calculating here any perimeter. You should calculate the volume. The only option left here is length into breadth into height. The only option left here is length into breadth into height. The only option left here is length into breadth into height. So answer is be length into breadth into height. Next. So 40th question is also similar kind of question. It's very easy. The area of volume of a cylinder. What is area of volume of a cylinder? You should tell me. Area of volume of a cylinder. So many students are not conscious in the class. All names will be noted and will be given to the institute. I know many students are not cautious or attentive during the class, and you give complaint on me. That's really great. And one more thing, the formula for finding the value of cylinder is. What is the answer for this? Please, everyone, please send your answers on the chat box. What is the volume of the So Rudra, you are wrong. The answer is pi r square h. Answer is pi r square h. I already told in the last class. That is. Please open fast. So here the area is pi r square. So if you pile up pi r square at a height or at a length of h, so volume will be pi r square. Why? Because if you fill any cylinder, the water will be filled in each and every part of the cylinder. It will occupy, the water will be occupy each and every part of the cylinder. Means what you exactly doing here, pi r square into h. So this is the volume. A thorough revision of total surface area, lateral surface area, as you got to know in this class now, and volume of the given solid should be in your fingertips. You should practice a lot. Again, we will be discussing some more questions on mensuration tomorrow. And tomorrow the test will be one-on-one test. I will give the question and tell you to send the answers on the chat box. And the chat box permission will be viewed only to the instructor, not by everyone. So please keep a mind on this. Go with the notes which I provided. Go thoroughly with the problems which I provided in the PDF which I uploaded in WeXL. And if you have any doubts, please reach to me. I hope this class is clear. If you have still any doubt in this class, what all we discussed from 1 to 40 problems of test papers, excluding key corrections and question corrections. Anyway, I got to my, so anyway, you got to my notice. Those question numbers are noted. If there is any chance of correction of key, I will do it in WeXL. If there is no chance of correcting a key, then I can't do anything. So from next objective paper, I will concentrate on key corrections. Okay. And make sure that this mistake will not happen. You don't face any problem with key. So for now, if you have any problems, please let me know, or else we can wind up the class from 1 to 40. Any doubt, please reach out to me now. Here it's Sahiti, any doubts from 1 to 40 questions?
No, sir.
Charantej, any doubt?
No, sir.
Nainika, any doubt?
No, sir.
Rudra, any doubt? Venkat Rudra?
No, sir.
Varshit, any doubt? Pranava, any doubt? Varshit, are you here in the class? Varshit, are you here in the class? Please speak out. Any doubt from 1 to 40 questions? Are you aware of the question paper? Did you give the question paper? Huh? Varshit, I'm asking you. You nodding head is not answer. Please speak out. Your name is noted anyways. Next. Pranava, what about you?
Yes, sir. All doubts are clarified, sir.
Where is Charantej? Charantej, what about you?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Where is Lasya? She left. Huh? Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will again discuss problems on mensuration. Let's wind up the session. I hope everyone has no doubts in these questions, what all we discussed. Let's wind up the class. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.